I want to talk about these welding gloves. These are a new purchase for me. I will not be using them for welding. You can see right here I have a wood stove, and you want to have a good heat-resistant glove whenever you're working around a wood stove for pretty much anything you're doing around it, especially putting wood into the fire. These guys right here, nice and thick and forced, tear resistant. You see right here I've got them on, touching the surface of the wood stove, and no problem whatsoever. It's going to keep my hands protected. You can see right here, this fire is burning pretty warm, so these things are the real deal. Trying them out for the first time. You can see right here, fire is nice and hot. Stoking it up, and no problem whatsoever. So I get to keep the hair on my knuckles this winter, it looks like. Who's this going to be good for? I mean, they're going to be great for wood stoves like like I'm doing here. Great for barbecues, and obviously great for welding as well. If you'd like a pair for yourself, click on the link in the description below.